Hello, today I'm a happy dad. I finally got one of my daughters to do the walk with me. One of the bird walks I've set up. You ready to do it?
Yeah.
Right, so we're at the first feeder now and Shania's going to put the food in for us. It's alright if you drop some. You'll just eat it off the floor anyway. That's full enough, innit? So that was empty again, that feeder, when we got here. There was about 3 seeds left in it. So they vet it again. It's only been about 4 days this time. Right, so we're at feeder number 2. Why are you getting all the straight face? You want to laugh? Right, so we're at feeder number 2 and that's another empty one. Come on then, that's well enough.
I'm gonna go flying.
You're gonna go flying?
Bitch!
Good girl. Now you're stuck. Right, so Shania carries a lighter with her apparently. Why'd you carry it?
So that if someone tries to kidnap me, I can burn the beard off.
That's something new, innit?
And I've also got a window breaker and a seatbelt slasher. Shit, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared.
Just get over slowly or you'll hurt yourself.
How?
Stand on that little log there.
No.
In the middle.
No.
Or you're just gonna sink.
How do you get over this piece?
Me? I'll just go on then, what's it do? Just stand on the stuff like that. Just stand on what's there to get over. Or go walk around the side if you don't want to go up to that top bit, that's it. No, it's fine. On that, on the mud and then on the log. We'll just go straight over like that. Good job it's all, innit? Hey.
Watch this then.
The steps there. The steps there. Or you can just go up the steps like this, it's easier.
What steps?
These.
Where?
There.
I've never seen them.
Go on then, try again.
Ready?
Go on then. That was easier, wasn't it?
No. Safe?
I don't know, I haven't done it before. There's an easier way, you know. Shania likes to do things the hard way, don't you, kid?
Oh, bitch, no.
I reckon you're going to get wet there.
But idea.
Come over that side. But you don't hit that branch there.
I'm going to, that's what I'm doing.
But that doesn't even look like it's stuck into nothing. That's just a stick.
Wiggle man a sec.
It's not even solid. It's just a stick.
No.
Yeah, why don't you use the stick to balance you? That's probably why it's there. That's it.
Oh! Bitch, I hate it.
We should stop swearing. Look at the walks then so far.
I reckon that kids, yeah, they'll enjoy it because there's like a lot of, you know, like when I just like run over the branches, over the water and all that. Yeah, there's a lot of fun things to do. And if you want to take pictures, there's a lot of like nice places to take pictures at. Yeah, and like use the map thing to try and find the thing. I was trying to find one for like 5 minutes before. So yeah.
You ready for this one?
I'm scared for this
Go on then.
one. Look stupid, don't I?
Oh, go on. Once. Where's your victory dance? This is feeder number 14 now. Shania is going to fill it. Let's check if it's empty. Yeah, another empty one. Hey Shania,
Yeah.
guess what's next on the map?
Swing.
Yeah. That's why you come in, eh? To have a go with the swing.
Ready?
Yeah. It looks like it's going to snap. Go on, it's alright. Why would I have a bubble?
Hold these then. Hold them like that.
It's taking you tall enough. Do you want me to move that closer?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead, I'll pass you it.
You hold on to the wood.
What wood? No, you just hold the knot.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Lift your feet up. Go on, have another go. You're supposed to like lift your legs and your feet up. Do you want me to do it?
Give me a... Yeah.
Can't believe you just done that.
I need to hold it higher.
Like, tuck your legs up.
How?
Like, use your muscles in your stomach to tuck your legs up. That's it. You're supposed to get back onto that.
You can... Let me do it for you.
No man, doing something better than you.
No. Got an idea this time.
They're flying over there.
Don't make me laugh. This is so torture.
It's your turn to fall now.
Let me try that again.
Come on then. Do you want me to move that closer?
What? The log?
Yeah, I think you can move it.
Hold on to this.
That might fall off though.
Do you want to go holding this?
No, definitely fall off of me.
Yeah, fingers. Fix it. There we go. Scary piece of fall out. It's okay. Just go back and try again.
I don't think that's bad enough to get a good swing on it.
Look me in the eye.
Stop swinging. Right, we're coming to the end now. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Right, we made some good memories, haven't we?
Yeah.
And that's what it's all about. Get out with your kids, do the walks. Visit my website for the walk maps here, simplesteveBirds.com. Use the flowers for? Yeah. Get some flowers for your mum while you're out. Have a nice day, I'll see you later.